How to ask a question in Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can ask a question in Reddit. For that, open any browser on your device and in the search bar, type reddit.com and enter the official website of Reddit. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you will find various icons at the top right. Here, click on the Create option, and then you will reach this page from where you can create a post. Here, at the title, write the question you want to ask in Reddit. You can type any question you would like to ask. After adding it, in this text box, you can add supporting details or any other instructions related to your question. You can also make it bold, italic, and customize it as per your own choice. Also, don't forget to select the community here. After doing this, click on this post button here. Wait for a while, and you will see your post has been successfully created on which you have asked a question on Reddit. So, in this way, you can ask a question on Reddit and get the answers from various users. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next videos. Stay connected.